Hello, aspirants. I'm Indumati Kartikeyan. In this era, the low attention span to grab and hold the knowledge extremely challenging. So, if you're watching this video, you don't have to worry because I broke down all the challenges of the UPSC examination. First of all, in this video, how to use the prelims and mains gaps effectively. We'll check out. First of all, there is a gap between the prelims and mains. It's approximately 90 to 100 days. Assume that you cleared your mains, so don't wait for your results. So you mentally you shift from the MCQ based questions to the analytical and writing written expression. That is phase one. That is take 1 to 30 days. First of all, foundation and optional subject. You must focus on the foundation and also the optional subject. And phase two, that is days 31 to 70 days. You have to get the mastery in your GS. That is important, and you have to write the test series and essay paper. These 31 to 70 days full and full you have to focus on your mains answer writing practice. And phase 3 71 to 100 days you have to write the full length test revisions. So this only may be possible in these 30 days. So you have to concentrate more on the full length test, and also you have to prioritize the gap because general studies, that is GS1 to GS4 syllabus, you should know the thorough syllabus. That is important. And also you have to emphasize that GS2 polity and governance and GS3 economy, science and tech, environment as the current affairs. Every you have to put more current affairs in this answer writing and use a model answer and value add material like ARC report or Niti Aayog reports, budget reports. So these are the reports will definitely help you to get a good add-ons in your topics and optional subjects. So you have to spend 3 to 4 days daily for the optional subject and also solve the PYQs or the revised notes, and also join any test series if possible. You can join our test series. So it's very much important for your UPSC, and you can concentrate more on the essay paper because prepare the definitions, thinkers, and also frameworks. So practice the case studies daily. So that is important for your for essay paper. You have to practice one essay per week for first 4 weeks. Then two essays per week. Focus on the structure, multi-dimensional approach, and also you can't miss originality. So this is important. So you have to concentrate on the essay paper, the ethic paper. That is a GS4, that is prepare for the definitions, thinkers, and also frameworks for the ethics paper. And also practice everyday case studies. Without case studies you can't write the ethics paper. So from sources like lexicon books, and also our Incar IAS Academy also selling books in the Amazon, so you can now follow that book also. Answer writing practice, you can do the answer writing practice. Start immediately, begin with a topic wise answer, then move on to the sectional text, and also finally you have to write one full mock test as per the UPSC. So that is important. And also you can focus on the structure, presentation, and also the time management. These are the three important crucial steps you have to do. And for the current affairs, that is a consolidated current affairs from the last 1 year, especially you have to categorize like GS1, GS2, GS3, and for essay. And also you have to follow the monthly compilation. You have to focus our magazines. So these are the important steps for your current affairs. And main tools, mainly for the main test series, you can follow the main test series and essay guidance program, and also ethics modules, and also the revision notes. So tools for in this gap you have to fulfill by the tools like main test series, ethics modules, and also essay guidelines. These are the tools definitely will fulfill your prelims and mains gap. So and also you can follow the timetable, that is 6:30 to 7:30 you have to follow the Hindu newspaper, and 7:30 to 10:30 you can follow the optional subject, 10:30 to 11 break, and 11 to 1 GS paper topic based, and 1 to 2 lunch, and 2 to 4 ethics essay practice, and 4 to 5 break. Again you can have some tea or samosa, and 5 or 5 to 8 GS or test practice, 8 to 9 dinner, and relax 9 to 9 10:30 you can revise, read, value addition papers. Main sample daily timetable. So for the 100 days you have to do this activity, definitely you will crack your mains examination. Final advice, don't wait for the prelims result. Every single day it's counts. So you have to start your preparation. If you clear prelims, you will have head start. So that is a very much important. If you're not cleared, still gain critical mains experience for the next attempt. So these are the important final advice. Thank you so much.